We have our sunrise and sunset for Sunday, May 10th, Mother's Day. All right, so always keep in mind, Saturday we had 14 hours and 17 minutes. So because it's spring and it's getting closer towards summer in about 5 weeks or so, we know that the amount of light is going to increase. All right, so just keep that in mind, okay? So it's got to be more than 1417. We know all about how Earth is tilting towards the sun, so that means it's getting more sunlight. So each day it's going to increase by a minute or 2 minutes, sometimes 3 minutes. It depends. Okay, so our step one always is to add 12 to that hour, that PM time. So we know 12 plus 8 equals 20. And then we have to, step two, rewrite 8:02 as 20:02. And then we subtract the AM time. Okay. Okay, so continuing with this, we know we can't subtract here. We can't take 10 minutes from here. We can't take an hour from here. So we have to take a 10, meaning 10 hours. We take a 10 and we make a 10. Again, the colon divides the minutes from the hours in the same way that the decimal point in money separates the cents from the dollars. Think of it like that. Okay, so we can solve here, we can solve here, but now we still can't solve here. So now we take our hour of power, and always remember that an hour equals 60 minutes. So we take 1 hour, 10 becomes a 9, and then we put our hour right over here. That is 6 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So that's great here, but we still can't solve over here. So we have to take a 10, meaning 10 minutes, and we're going to make a 10. We're going to add 10 plus 2, which is 12. And now we can solve. 12 minus 12 minus 3 equals 9. 5 minus 4 is 1. And you can see already that it started to increase in terms of the minutes. 9 minus 5 equals 4. And we bring this down, and 1 minus nothing, or 0, equals 1. So 14 hours and 19 minutes for Sunday, May 10th. And on Monday, when you do this, it's the same idea, the same steps. It's involved. So you have to make sure that you make those things that are complicated, think it out, break it down, make it simple. Smaller bits, one by one, okay? Think of Kidogo and think of solving it like this. Bidogo, Kidogo, little by little.